Alright, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you get notified. Literally, people have been asking how much can they actually make on Rumble platform. So I want to tell you just my own basic understanding about how much money you can actually make from this platform. But trust me, this website also work just like other video website where you can upload your content and make money based on how your videos went viral. And there are different categories, which of course you can actually put up your videos in there and you can also make money from it. And also, if you upload your video on your own platform, you can also put it out on other social media platform just so you can be able to make money from that video. And if you are looking out to how much can you really make from this uh platform, you can't tell how much you can make, and also you can not really tell how much you can make on one certain video. Let's say, for example, now your video have went viral and you are able to get thousands of views on that particular video. You cannot really tell because there are something that we call RPM and CPM, such as on YouTube and on Rumble platform. This would determine how much you'll be able to get based on or per 1,000 views on your video. So let's now say, for example, your video gets a thousand of views and Rumble is paying you, let's say $3 for one certain video. Let's use this video as an example. Let me find a video that is not live. So let's try this one. This was uploaded 1 hour ago and the video length is more than 1 hour. So this video, let's say for example, it has gotten 1,000 views, for example, and Rumble is paying you $2 for this particular video, and you are able to generate maybe 5,000 views on that video currently as I'm making this video. Let's say we have 5,000 views in total, but Rumble is paying you $2 for 1,000 views. That means you'll be getting 10,000 $10 for 5,000 views. And this video will keep on getting views as long as people are viewing this video. The views will keep on increasing and the money you'll be making on that video will keep on increasing as well. And let's say, for example, you also have another video on your channel and that video can make more or less or the same amount, just like this one is already making, in the sense that different video have their own ways of making money for you. And it cannot be determined that all your videos on your Rumble channel will bring the same amount of money for you. It doesn't work that way. That's why you cannot actually determine how much you will be able to earn on your video. So, but based on the fact that once your videos getting viral, the money you'll be making on your video will keep on increasing. And if you have over 100 videos on your channel, that means the money you will be making on your Rumble account will keep on multiplying. That's how it works. And once your earnings keep on multiplying, the money you make last month will pile up and be more than that this month. Let's say you make $100 this month or last month, October, and this is November. You can actually scale it up to $150 or $170, and that will depend on how your video went viral and how much people watch more of your videos than the previous month. If you get 20,000 views as of last month and you get 23,000 views as of this month, that and you are also uploading more videos to the channel, that means the views you'll be getting on a monthly basis will keep on increasing than the previous month, and that will be determine how much you'll be making on your video. So that is how it works. You cannot actually determine, okay, this month I'm starting I'm starting a Rumble channel and I'll make so amount, even with the fact that you're going to be earning money on your channel immediately you create your channel on Rumble platform, because You don't need any monetization requirement before you can start making money on Rumble. That's make the platform stand out and so special that people are running to this platform in order to start making money from their content as fast as possible. So trust me, create your Rumble channel today and start uploading your valuable content, and believe me, people are gonna be watching your content and you'll also be making money as long as the fact that the monetization is included and enabled on your video. Trust me, you will be making money. That's how Rumble platform works. And if you have any particular question regarding Rumble platform, let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely answer your question as fast as possible. Be it any kind of question, trust me, I'm gonna be providing an answer to that. And thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.